We bought a Hoarder House.
And this is the aftermath. And even after pest control came in the last video, our job still wasn't done.
3, 2, hit him.
They going one by one?
Yeah.
Hey, what do you think about scooping that stuff right there? Yeah, like break it down. I don't think they're gonna move while we down here because they're gonna be scared of us. Let's just scoop that little pile. So who filled up this thing? Oh wow. They probably was just thinking somebody's gonna come knock this thing.
Right now. Problem solved in it. Hey, problem gone. Ain't me start monopoly. He shoot that dice and take his pass go. I think it might go deep though. 5, 4, 3, 2, hit him. 9. Watch him. Hey, I'm keeping that. Hit it with carrot. Yeah.
Hate to see me keep your eyes closed. Who with me? Cause we going for the top glow.